Hello everyone and welcome back to Queenvarieties channel, where variety is the spice of life. Today I'm showing you how to make the juiciest, most flavorful and tender oven baked whole turkey, perfect for Thanksgiving or any other special occasion. And here is the best part, friends. I'm including a bonus recipe for the ultimate turkey gravy that is guaranteed to take your turkey to the next level. So whether you're a seasoned pro or roasting a turkey for the very first time, this step-by-step guide will make sure to impress your guests with a perfectly golden, tender turkey that is packed with so much flavor. So let's dive right in, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video with your friends and loved ones. Also remember to turn on your bell notifications to get instant prompts each time I upload any video. Thank you. For the very first step, I'm going to bring out the turkey that have been sitting right inside my fridge for exactly 12 good hours. It is perfectly marinated and has received all the intensified flavors from this mixture. Would you like to have the turkey brine recipe? Kindly drop your comment for me in the comment section, and trust me, I'll definitely upload the video for you. I'm going to transfer the brined turkey to my sink and flow fresh liquid on top of it just to eliminate any excess salt. So moving forward, friends, I will introduce you to the basic ingredients we will require for today's recipe: onions, fresh ginger, fresh garlic, black peppercorns, salt, seasoning cubes and paprika. For the fresh herbs, you will need fresh thyme, fresh parsley, fresh basil and fresh rosemary. Can you hear I am saying fresh? That's because all the fresh ingredients will bring freshness to your dish. Also, I'm going to add some little quantity of oil into the blender, and all the ingredients I just mentioned right now, I will pop them right into the blender and have them smoothly blended. I almost forgot, in case you have fresh sage, don't forget to add it, okay, because it brings a very nice flavor to your turkey. The blending process is now completely done, so what I'm going to do is to transfer the mixture right into my pan and include 3 tablespoons of butter right into that pan and begin to cook on medium settings. We're going to cook this for exactly 5 to 10 good minutes so that all the ingredients will release its flavor right into this pan, and exactly 5 to 10 minutes later, this is the gorgeous appearance that you're going to have. Set it off from the heat and allow it to cool down completely. Over to the next step, I'll drop the gorgeous bird on my work surface here and use a kitchen paper or towel to pat dry completely. You're going to do this inside out. Make sure you meet every cranny of the turkey dry completely. This step is very important. Once completed, I will now begin to coat the turkey with the mixture we just prepared. Make sure it has cooled down completely before you apply on the turkey. You're going to generously coat this turkey inside out, all areas. Every nook and cranny must feel the impact of this sauce. This is the secret to your gorgeous, delicious holiday turkey. So please don't be stingy, make good use of it, okay? Alright. The turkey is now perfectly coated. What I'm going to do is to cover with a cling film and then transfer it to my fridge and allow to sit for hours, okay? Now that depends on when you want to cook your turkey. On my work surface, I'm going to place the ingredients or the vegetables we are going to use to stuff the turkey cavity. Here with me, I've got the carrots, celery, onions and orange. This is going to help infuse intense flavor inside the turkey. Meanwhile, if you don't want to use these ingredients, you can go for any one you want to use, okay? You can also use some fresh herbs or garlic or some lemon quarters. Alright, so moving over to the next slide, you see here some vegetables which I have placed on my surface. These I will use for the base of the turkey. I have here some carrots, onion, celery, lime, orange and different bell pepper colors. Feel free to use any vegetable of your choice. I have carefully selected these vegetables because it has that rich, delicious flavor it brings to the turkey. So once I have put them inside the bowl, I'm going to use my hands and mix everything very well. As you can see, I have leveled and flattened all the vegetables. I'm going to place an oven friendly rack on top of it and then place our bird on top of it. Now this bird has been marinating for a few hours, so what I'm going to do is to use my hands once again and re-moisturize the skin of the bird and then begin to stuff it with the vegetables I showed earlier on. You just want to stuff it very well because this is going to help infuse rich flavor inside your turkey. At the same time, it's going to help hold it into good position. I'm going to tuck the wings underneath the turkey to prevent them from burning and tie the legs together with kitchen twine if you have that available, but I'm using the turkey skin to do that. And guys, our turkey is ready to go into the oven. Place a foil on top of it just so that it does not burn fast, and then transfer it and bake for the first 1.5 hours to 2 hours. If you are enjoying this video, kindly like, subscribe, don't forget to share my video with your friends and loved ones. We're going to prepare a mixture we're going to use to baste the turkey to keep it moist while it is cooking in the oven. And so to do that, you will require chicken or turkey broth or stock. And here with me, I've got turkey stock. So into the pan, I have included fresh thyme and fresh rosemary, 1 tablespoon of butter, and then the remaining portion of the cooked ingredients we made earlier on. I've included just 1 tablespoon of that and poured in the stock inside the pot. If you don't have the homemade stock, all you're going to do is to use the store sold one. Okay, now the homemade one will give you a richer effect. Bring this to boil and then leave it on the surface. Allow everything to marinate and sit right inside it. That is the mixture we are going to use to baste our turkey to keep it super fresh and fragrant. Guys, if you eat this turkey, you will understand that there's a difference between turkey as a food and turkey as a country. Okay, so I'll start basting the turkeys. Exactly 1.5 hours to 2 hours this turkey has been cooking in the oven. With my baking brush, I'll start basting it very well. You just have to make sure you saturate it very well. This is going to keep the turkey very tasty, super and succulently so delicious. Okay, I'll be repeating this step about 4 good times. Every 30 minutes I'll come and baste. These are the steps that is going to help you ensure you have perfectly cooked a good turkey. I have listed them on the screen. And this is the last time I'm coming back to baste this turkey. For the 4th time, I cooked this bird for exactly 4 to 5 good hours because it is a very huge one. You just have to make sure you're very patient to cook this bird very well until it reaches its internal temperature. Okay, I'm basting now with the liquid that come out from the pan to seal in all the moisture, to lock in all the flavors, and here I'll transfer back to the oven for the very last time. And here we have it. After 4 to 5 hours of patiently baking this turkey, this is the outcome we have. I'm going to brush it once again with turkey to heighten the flavor, at the same time the appearance of this meal. And guys, this is what we have. Allow it to sit for exactly 30 minutes before you cut right into it. And while the turkey is resting, we are going to make the gravy. And the gravy, I promise you, which is a bonus recipe for today's meal. What we are going to do now is to use a sieve and sieve the mixture from the pan. And guys, just look at the rich flavor that comes out of this gorgeous turkey. This is where all the umami flavor rests, so you don't have to lose this touch. Okay, into my hot pan, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of butter, and once melted, I'll add about 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour inside it. I'm going to fry this for exactly maybe 1 to 2 minutes just so that the flavor is off. At this point in time, there is no lump. You can see it is lump free, so I'm going to now pour in the stock inside there, add a little bit of salt just to boost the flavor. Guys, this gravy, oh my goodness, it tasted so good. In fact, we are into business with this gravy. It was absolutely and incredibly yummy-licious. And here I've been cooking this for at least 10 minutes or thereabouts, so you can see what the outcome is. Please prepare this at medium temperature, and once it is ready, set it off. You don't want it to be too thick while it's on the heat, otherwise it will get too thick. You want your gravy to be runny, at the same time very succulent and delicious. Now guys, this is where the business comes. We're going to cut right into this gorgeous bread, and guys, this is what we had. Did you see that liquid flow out of the turkey? It's so juicy. The patience I took to prepare this was absolutely amazing. Guys, trust me, when you invite your guests over to enjoy or dine with you with this gorgeous bread, you're going to love the outcome or the remarks they are going to give to you. This bread was absolutely succulent and delicious. Serve with anything of your choice and have a fantastic holiday season. Have a fantastic Thanksgiving, because of course we should be grateful to God because He has brought us thus far. On our own we cannot do anything. The Lord has been with us, and here we are saying farewell to 2024 in just a bit. It's been God by our side. If you have enjoyed today's recipe, don't forget to like, share my video with your friends and loved ones. Also remember, variety is the spice of life. Until I come your way next time, stay blessed and loved. God bless you. Bye for now.